Hi everybody, it's Crystal Lewis from Black Unicorn Merchandising here. I recently did a survey, and unanimously every single person said that you were interested in learning more about this industry. You may be an aspiring brand owner or a current brand owner, but either way, there's all kinds of things you're figuring out that you need to know that maybe you're not quite an expert in just yet. Well, I have done you a favor. I've reached into my network and I've done interviews with some of the most talented, inspirational people I know. And I've put together a mini-series for you that I'm calling the Fashion Flash and Dash. So watch these videos, get some little nuggets of knowledge on the apparel design industry in a flash and dash. Get on with your day, take that information and apply it as needed. In the meantime, watch these videos on my Flash and Dash series and figure out if the apparel industry is the right fit for you. All right, enjoy.